Be a Sunday, November 9th, NFL and NBA report. I'm going to get to that free play for you in just a minute after winning with Florida Atlantic yesterday as they bury them laying the 22. We have a monster day, 5-2, 2 out of 3 on line making mistakes as we get there with winners with Alabama and Cal, USC under the total. We do lose with the Oak State line making mistake, but a 5-2 day. 29-9 in at least our last 38 line-making mistakes, 38-12 in our last 50 line-making mistakes. Big Sunday on tap for you. A lot of questions look to be answered. And by the way, we're 28-12 on NFL Sundays, okay? 18-7 the last 3 weeks in the NFL. And a 13-4 start to the NBA. 13-4. $50 unit plays are up over 5 dimes. Isn't it time you guys start getting involved? How much is it costing you not being involved? Look at the benefits of getting involved, fellas. You don't have the time to do the work. You don't know if you're getting line value. You're not going to get information that's factored in the line, and most of you don't manage your money properly. Isn't it time to be part of the 1% of the elite who treat this and make this a winning investment, not a losing gambling hobby? 99% of the people who wager on sports lose. Sad fact, definite reality. That's why they keep building these casinos, sports books, offshore sports books. Isn't it time, once again, to be part of the 1%? It works out to less than $5 or $10 a day. Check out our long-term packages, fellas. But back to today, all right? We're going to get at least 5 rated plays for you. 3 late line-making mistakes, highlighted by a big, at least 15, possibly 20-unit play on that Giants game, visiting the Eagles at 8:15 on NBC TV. All right? We're going to have that late matchup, Indy-Pittsburgh, and we're going to have the Carolina-Oakland game. May look easy. Maybe it is. Maybe it isn't. We're going to have the answers to all these questions, fellas. Like I said, 13-4 start to the NBA. We're going to have at least 5 rated plays, possibly 7. 3 line-making mistakes. I just listed them for you. No time better to get involved. $4.49. Check out the specials again under the video. Take you right through the end of December in all sports. Some great value, $145.99. Takes you right through the end of November in football only. $6.99 takes you right through the Super Bowl in all sports, fellas. And we can break that up into a 2-part payment plan starting at $224.99. Do you have the time to do the work? Do the games you're getting from anyone make sense? Are you ready to make a long-term commitment? Whether you play with us or play with anyone else, do the games make sense? Do the reasons you're winning and losing make sense to you? Are you managing your money properly? Are you getting value? Are you getting information not factored in line? If these things aren't happening, then you got to ask yourself, is it time to make a change? Because if you keep doing the same things over and over and you expect different results, the definition of insanity. The definition of insanity, fellas. You know what? We're successful because we're always prepared when we get the opportunity, because success is when preparation meets opportunity. If there's one game you want to get involved in, if there's one game that I know we're going to absolutely hammer, if there's one game I know we're not going to miss, it's that 8:15, at least 15-unit rated line-making mistake, NFL on NBC. As the Giants go to Philadelphia. So come on in and win. The only way to bet it and get it is to come on in and win. I'm going to give you that free play right now. We're going to go under that total in the Indianapolis-Pittsburgh game at 4:15. Under that 40 points. Don't miss tonight, fellas. Don't miss all the late action. And we'll see you tomorrow on Monday with a big Monday night matchup and another winning report.